Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is going to be an RFID wallet. So inside of it, oh, the bag is here. This is what it looks like here. It comes with a little kind of a leatherette carrying strap here. And then this is the wallet here. You can fold up some money, put it in this section here, and then the other section kind of separates a little bit there, and you can put in cards. I just have some little business cards I'm going to put in here, and then they just go in like so. I guess my cards are a little bit longer than a normal credit card would be. But then when you want to take them out, you just pull the little tab and you can, look at that, they come out. So that's what it does here. I'm just doing business cards here, but you get the idea. And this is RFID blocking. So if you have like a credit card or like your Tesla card key or something like that, and you want to kind of keep it where people can't go and clone it or anything like that, you can just stick it in there and that will block the RFID. So how cool is that? Neat little wallet. It's got kind of a carbon fiber-ish look with a little logo kind of thing going on it. And that's what the back looks like. It's kind of metal here. So cool. I like this one. It works out pretty easy to do. So you can just pull that to get your cards out. So neat little card wallet. Thumbs up.